How to switch from demo to real account in QU MATIX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily switch from a demo account to a real account in QU MATIX. So first of all, launch open the QU MATIX application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of QU MATIX, go to the top right corner and tap on the demo account drop-down. Now, on the left pop-up, you'll see the live account option. Select it. Right after you do that, you'll switch from demo to real account. Your account should automatically shift to a real or live account mode. Now you are live, but remember, start with small amounts, don't use full balance immediately, and keep your risk management active. Demo trading is for learning, and real trading is for responsibility. Treat your first live trades like test runs with real consequences. And that's it. You've successfully and officially stepped out from practice mode into the real trading world. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.